Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert telephone symbol in Excel. For this, you need to click on the insert and on the right side click on symbols and click on symbol. And in the font, you need to select the Wingdings. And here you will see that telephone symbols. You just need to click insert, and here is another handset symbol. You just need to click insert and close it, and here it is. Moreover, if you want to insert a solid telephone symbol, for this you need to put the equal sign, type unit char and open the bracket and put the character code 9742 and close the bracket, hit enter. And if you want to insert outline telephone symbol, for this you need to put the equal sign, type unit char, open the bracket and type character code 9743 and close the bracket, hit enter. And if you want to just insert the handset, for this you need to put the equal sign, type unit char, open the bracket and type 128222 and close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. You can change the color of your choice like red, blue, make it bold. Moreover, you can also use the built-in emoji picker which works perfectly in Excel cell. For this you need to press the window key and semicolon key. And in the search box you need to type telephone, and here you will see different option. You just need to click insert and like this one. So this way you can easily insert telephone symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.